Want to grow on YouTube fast? Stop chasing views. Stop chasing views. Focus on making people click and keep watching. Hi everyone. Today I'll share 3 simple tips that can help your YouTube channel grow faster. So this one's giveaway. These tips work whether you're just starting out or struggling to get more views. First, focus on hook. Second, optimize your thumbnails for clicks. Tip 1. Choose one niche. Don't upload random topics if you want to grow consistently. When your channel focuses on one topic, YouTube understands your audience much better. Always optimize your video metadata. That means your videos are more likely to be recommended to the right viewers. Tip 2. Create eye-catching thumbnails and strong titles. They make people want to click. Want to make your thumbnails pop? First, you've got to keep it clean. Use short and catchy text and always spark curiosity. More clicks bring more opportunities for your videos to reach new viewers. Here is tip number 3. You need to grab attention in the first 10 seconds. So skip those long intros. Ever wondered how to master video editing? In this video, you will learn the exact steps to create stunning visuals and grow your audience fast. I'll share the secret techniques used by pros, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. YouTube rewards videos people watch longer. Stay consistent, keep improving, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.